friends, welcome to my channel. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I am in the Apple store of the London Mall and I just bought the iPhone 13 Pro in graphite in 256 gigabytes with a leather case in black and a 20 watts power adapter. I just bought the iPhone 13 Pro. The iPhone 13 Pro leather case in black and the 20 watts power adapter. And I'm going to do the unboxing today. The new iPad mini 6th generation is very compact to carry around to trips, and it has a 8.6-inch screen. It has a USB-C port to charge, and it can charge other Apple products. I am back home, and here I have the 3 Apple products. Let's start with the Apple leather case. And this very easily to open because it doesn't have plastic in it. Here's a part that covers the case. Here's the case of the iPhone. I am going to leave it in the box. And the color is Midnight Nude Black in leather. The case has MagSafe magnets inside. I'm going to go with the iPhone 13 Pro right now. Here's an iPhone 13 Pro in graphite in 256 gigabytes of storage. And it's very easily to open the box. You only have these 2 tabs because Apple doesn't use plastic anymore. And you don't need a knife to open the box. Let me open the box. Let me put the phone on a side. And let's see what comes in the box. A Lightning to USB-C cable for a 20 watt power adapter or a 18 watt power adapter. Let's see what this paperwork says. Designed by Apple in California. We have a SIM card tool to change your SIM card. We have some iPhone info, and the best and not least, the Apple stickers. Let me put the box on a side and let me go with the phone. And the phone is 6.1 inches. It has this plastic. Let me take it off. Let me turn the phone on if it has battery. It's turning on. Let me put the case on the phone. Here is the iPhone with the case. Before we set the phone up, we need to unbox the last thing. the 20 watts power adapter. Here we have the 20 watts power adapter, and let's see what instructions comes with power adapter info. No Apple stickers. We have another power adapter info. Bye. See you in the next YouTube video.